Hi there, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to show you how to change the joystick of Joy-Con. Here you can see that the joystick is not work very well. Let's check how to replace the joystick. Without wasting our time, let's start the video. For this, first you remove your Joy-Con. It is very simple to remove. Then loose the screws. Take a screwdriver and easily you can remove the screws. Then also loose the screws inside the Joy-Con like the video. Then remove the connector carefully using any equipments like the video. Then change the joystick very careful. Okay, then tighten the screws very well. And check if it is working or not. You can simply repair this type of joystick in your home without going any mobile shops. Here I completed my replacement and check if it is working or not. You can see that it is work very well without any lag. I think you love this video. Show some love on our like button and also subscribe our channel for more technology information. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe our channel, you will get more information from our channel. See you with another video.